Understanding scar revision for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, scar revision. If you've come across this term in medical contexts or TV shows and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Scar revision is a term used in the medical field. It refers to a range of procedures aimed at improving the appearance of scars and, sometimes, restoring function to the affected area. It can involve both surgical and non-surgical methods. Scar revision is considered when a scar is noticeably visible and causes discomfort or self-consciousness. It's also used when the scar impairs the movement of muscles or joints. There are several techniques for scar revision, including surgical removal or cutting out of the scar, laser treatments to reduce scar redness and smooth them out, injectable treatments to fill in depressed scars. Before deciding on scar revision, a thorough consultation with a healthcare provider is essential. They will assess the scar's type, size, and location, and discuss the realistic outcomes of the procedure. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of scar revision. Remember, it's a personal decision and requires careful consideration. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more English terms in our next video.